Sow. Sow. The farmer will sow the seeds in the field. Sew. Sew. She will sew a new dress for the party. Mess. Mess. Her room was in a complete mess after the party. Mass. Mass. A mass of people attended the concert. Appear. Appear. A man suddenly appeared in the doorway. Appeal. Appeal. The colourful balloons have a lot of appeal. Angel. Angel. The child dressed as an angel for the school play. Angle. Angle. The carpenter measured the angle before cutting the wood. Except. Except. She likes all mugs except the purple ones. Expect. Expect. I expect it will rain tomorrow. Alone. Alone. She prefers to be alone when reading. Along. Along. Keep going along your way. Drive. Drive. He learned to drive when he was 16. Dive. Dive. Let's dive into pool.